Okay, so today we're going to work with some of Cricuts, the newer colors of the Shimmer vinyl. So this is self-adhesive vinyl. How pretty that is. There were a bunch of colors that just came out. These are the 3 that I went with. Aren't those beautiful? So we're going to use the orange today, and then we're just going to use a regular green when we're making a pumpkin. So we'll just use the regular green, not this, but this right here. Just a regular green for the stem. It's going to be super duper pretty, so let's get to work. Okay, so we have our 3 layers cut and ready to get weeded. This is my weeding pen. If you don't have a weeding pen, you should get one. They're great. This one you can't find anywhere anymore, but I'll link in the video description. I'll link one that I used for years before I found this one. It's great. All the difference. Okay, so take that. Weed the shimmer vinyl. It really is just so pretty. Okay, and then weed this. That little bit first. So the green is one of the new colors of the Cricut permanent vinyl that came out. Super, super good quality. Really like it. So, and the white is the Cricut value vinyl. Also love that. That's what I use almost exclusively for my base colors these days. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a smaller piece so I don't have to struggle with it. I'm going to cut a smaller piece of the transfer tape. This is Cricut's linerless transfer tape. I use it almost exclusively. Ever since the first time I used it, it's just really, really good transfer tape. I used to use one off of Amazon, just a, I can't remember the name of it, but I used it for years and it was okay. But this is so much better. If you don't know this trick, this is parchment paper. Helps you line up your vinyl without committing. And then when you're ready, it doesn't help as much on the white because it's hard to see the white background, but you can kind of see it. Let me just hinge it up and pull that right off there, and that just falls right down into place where it belongs. Peel this off of here. That is layer 1. And now we're going to put this down. So let's see. Yep, so that is the top. So normally speaking, so this comes with strong grip transfer tape because I'm using multiple different grips, you know, vinyl that need different grips of transfer tape. I'm just going to use this regular linerless, and I have found that it works fine with the shimmer. I always, with stuff like this, I just kind of flip it upside down and then kind of just work its way off of there. Okay, and then, so this is the top. Do the same thing with our transfer tape. That's just about right there. Lay that down. Pick up the transfer tape. Lay that right down, and that is perfect. Okay, so now, if I wanted to, I could pick the whole thing up with a transfer tape and put it on here. I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna, because it has the white background that we put it on, I'm just gonna peel the whole thing up like a sticker and put it on. So how cute is that? And this is just from the Dollar Tree. They're just little night lights. So I'll put that right on there. And that is it. And that is all there is to it. Look at how shimmery that is. I really, really, really like this new, the shimmer colors that they came out with. There's also a rainbow one that they've had out for a while that's super pretty too. And that's it. If this video was helpful or of interest, like the video. Also join us on Facebook. We run one of the largest craft collaboratives, 3.5 million members across groups. I will link Cricut for beginners. It's almost a million members. Super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. Definitely join us there. I will link that in the video description below. Have a good day. Bye.